Hello. Oh, hi, Daniel. We pick it up now. His mom, he's not going to school. So sad because he's not feeling well. Oh, and his ate, she's on school today. So, but him, oh my God, she's not feeling well because there's a flu virus, something like that. And remember, it's flu season. You should be wearing masks to protect yourself and your kid, because if you're sick, you can go to work, and the kid can go to school. That's why it's so sad. But I'm so happy. He's feeling good now. Remember, be safe. Daniel, say hi. Oh, he's busy to his iPad. Oh my God. Everybody, be safe. Drive safe. Everybody safe.